In our classes so far, we had seen how to build the OTBI report from scratch, and also we had seen few cases wherein we can control the view and the columns of the table or the graph using the view and the column selector, and also we had seen few concepts on the master detail reports. Now, suppose if you have created multiple reports, your customer might ask you to represent everything like a dashboard or like in a single page, the reports, the graphs, everything like the URL, so on and so forth. Now, if you are wondering how we can achieve the same with the help of OTBI report, the answer is OTBI dashboards. Using OTBI dashboards, we can club multiple artifacts of OTBI like the multiple reports, the action chains, the filters, the dashboard prompts, everything within the single component that is called as dashboard. In order to learn more about the dashboards in OTBI, I have navigated to the Oracle documentation. From the table of content, you can go to building dashboards, that is create your first dashboard. Suppose if you are interested in looking at the video created by Oracle, then here is the YouTube video. You can have a look. Here if you see, Oracle has demonstrated how they can club the table, as well as there is one more representation like a graph or whatever it is, and at the top there is some link or metrics. Clicking on this, it will navigate you to the appropriate location like the internet, the fusion page, or it could just be a text. Suppose if you want to represent everything like a dashboard or like a page, what you see over here, then you can do the same with the help of dashboards. So we will see how we can create the dashboard and what are the building blocks available in the dashboard in this class. But we will try to add the reports into the dashboard in our coming classes. Apart from adding the views like the table graph, you can also add the prompts like the presentation prompts over here. On changing the values, it will change the data in the dashboard. So you can build the interactive dashboards as well. So for more information like how to create the dashboard, edit, delete, add the dashboard pages, so on and so forth, you can have a look at this documentation page. Now, in order to create the dashboard, first of all, you have to navigate to the BI Analysis editor, and then you have to click on this plus and select this dashboard under the Analysis and Interactive Reporting. Click on the dashboard. It is asking for the name. I will name this as Demo Dashboard and the Theory. It will ask where you want to save. By default, it will save under the Customs and the Dashboard folder. Now let's say I'm not interested in saving over here. Click on this browse catalog and we are going to select the same folder, that is ABC1010, that is this one, and click on OK. So this is the dashboard builder. On the left side, you will see the objects which you can drag and drop onto the dashboard. Like you can add the columns, you can add multiple columns. You can add the column that is horizontally at the top or next to this, that is the vertical columns as well. Like here, it will create two sections which is called as columns. Then you can have a section like this. You can have a section after section and you can drop the reports within them. And also you can have a image something like this. You can add multiple images or single images something like this, and also you can change the layout how you want to represent this. Also you can select and delete this links or the images whatever you have added, and also you can add the text over here apart from the images. That also is possible. Also you can embed the content over here. Suppose if you want to embed the content, just click on this and you can provide the URL of that particular embedded content. It will show over here. Apart from this, you can add the action link. Suppose on click of that, it has to launch some other report, or if you want to have the option provided to the user, like it will show the menu, then you can add the action link menu over here. So you can have multiple sections and you can add your reports within these sections. Like table, you can add over here. The graphs you can add next to next. So like this, you can do over here. And then there is this catalog. You can drag and drop the OTBI reports, BI publisher reports, the action link, the prompts, everything over here under the sections. Also, you can create multiple columns and then you can add the sections or drop the reports within them. And on the right side, there is this add dashboard page. You can add multiple pages. You can delete the current page. There is this gear icon. You can publish dashboard properties, print and export the options, so on and so forth. You can have a preview of this dashboard by clicking on this, how the dashboard will look like at runtime to the user. And also you can run and see this in action, how the actual report will run, that is at the runtime environment. So this is how the dashboard builder will look like. For more information, you can have a look at this documentation. What are the supported objects available in the dashboard builder and how you can build the eye-catchy dashboards using the OTBI builder.